Okay, so question 1. How much charge is represented by these number of electrons? By these numbers of electrons? These number of electrons, fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. All right, so we're gonna need, let's write these down. So A is 6.482 times 10 to the 17. We'll call them E minus for electrons. All right, let's get rid of that. Nope, not that one, this one. All right, so that's how I decided to kind of name it, just E minus to let us know we're talking about electrons. Okay, so we're gonna need how many electrons there are in 1 coulomb of charge, or how many coulombs 1 electron has. So for that, we're gonna can either look it up online, or you can look it up in the textbook. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look it up in the textbook as soon as I can move just that. So here's the textbook. All right, so it's probably charge and current. See what we got here. Here you go. We also know that the charge E on an electron is negative and equal in magnitude to 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. Okay. So 1 electron, so say 1 electron equals 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. All right, so we don't need that anymore. Get rid of that thing. Okay, so we know this. Another way we can write the units on this is to say it's coulombs per electron. So if we want to know the charge for this number of electrons, all we have to do is just multiply these two numbers together. So that's going to be 6.482 times 10 to the 17 electrons times 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs per electron. Easy peasy. Do it this way. All right, so you might be able to do the exponent part without a calculator, but you're going to want it for the number bit. 6.482 times 10 to the 17. See that? There you go. Just that way you can follow along. Times 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19. And you know what I'm going to do? 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19. I'm going to store that as E for now, just because we're going to be using it 3 more times after that. So this one is, that doesn't seem like it can be right. Oh no, it's the number of coulombs. I started thinking that was the amount of charge. Sorry, it was the amount of electrons, but we got 0.1. You can't have 0.1 electrons. It had better be an integer number or really close to it. But it's fine because it's coulombs, and so we're good. So it's 0.1038 coulombs. B, what was B? 1.24 times 10 to the 18. That's going to get multiplied by 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19. This would be 1.24 times 10 to the 18 times E, 0.198 coulombs. I don't really care about rounding that much. All right, C, 2.46 times 10 to the 19. And I think you kind of get the idea here. I'm going to copy the last one down. 1.628 and 20. So that's going to be 2.46, 10 to the 19. And then you can multiply that thing by E. almost 4, 3.941 coulombs. 1.628 times 10 to the 20 times E. 26. 26.081 coulombs. So there you go. That's the amount of charge in that number of electrons.